you doing on May the 21st and the 22nd, Paul?
I'm going to be here on the 21st of May because I'm going to be watching this machine, the NLX 2500, do its stuff.
Okay, we're here at DMG MORI and they have their technology days that are coming up, but they're doing something a bit different this year, aren't they, Paul?
They are. The focus is purely on this machine here. This is the NLX 2500 700. This machine is one of their most popular sellers around the world, and it's now in the latest generations. For 2 decades, they've been, maybe even more, developing this machine. It started off as the SL, then the NL, now the NLX, and in its latest generation, it's got everything you would expect: power, accuracy, speed, thermal stability.
Not too much detail.
And amazing control.
Absolutely, not too much detail though, because you will find out more when you come along to their technology days. And my goodness me, when you walk in through those doors, it's not just the machines you're going to learn about, it's this company as a whole. 21st, 22nd of May.